Let me do that again. Boosting. Blah. God damn it. Boosting. Woo! Take 30. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my simple wash and go. Okay, so I just washed my hair and I wrapped it in a shirt. So now I'm about to put this main choice Scalp Renewal on there. It has peppermint in it and it makes your scalp feel cool. So I just part it with my fingers and I just put it on my scalp. And I massage it in. I know I look crazy. I don't got no makeup on, but it's okay because I'm getting ready to do my makeup. I just want to put product on my hair before it dries all the way. And I just massage it in my head. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the main choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Curl Boosting Sherbert. Okay, and I'm just gonna let me part my hair in two, really 4 sections. I want to split it in the back. So then I'm just gonna I'm gonna get about that much. Might get a little bit more. And I'm gonna use my dimming brush and just comb it out. Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna do this section. You can use less or more product. I like to use a lot because my hair likes to frizz up. So I'll just be putting a lot of product on it. Oops. And then I'm just gonna comb it out. Waffle House Yellow. Okay. In the middle of my head is like the real nigga in me, cause that never lay down how it's supposed to. Okay. Next side, same process. Comb it out. Get the top part. Okay, the main choice, pink lemonade and coconut mousse, and it says ready set curl. I like that. So this is how much I have. Can you see? Okay. And I'm just gonna, and this is just separating it in 2 sections. Okay, bam. I'm gonna go again. Bingo. We got action. Okay. I don't know if I want a middle part or a side part. I think middle. Middle it is. Okay. Looking good, looking great. I think I got a big head. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with the Lotta Body edge control. It's gonna take the back of my nail like that. And put it along my edges. If you don't got edges, this ain't for you. And then I'm going to do the same. Okay. First of all, let me fix my part because I don't have a comb and I don't feel like getting up. Oh my god! Okay. Bam, y'all. What's this? Malaysian curly, Brazilian curly. period. Okay guys, this is the finished look of my hair. It has dried. And it got a little bit bigger, which is cute. So this is the finished product. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.